But yeah, seriously, look, stop following us. Hello. Yeah, we're recording you too. Seriously.
Where I live just past.
Yeah. Can you sue the police for like scaring your dog or upsetting your dog? Like, wow. It's literally it's following us all.
It's funny when it happened to me in Stately Bridge. I ended up getting pulled over by police. So like that, someone's been stabbed, by someone on an e-bike.
Yeah.
I went, what colour's the bike? She went black. I went, mine's green.
I know, that's funny. Like, my bag's green.
I was like, mine's green.
Oh, but yeah, both dogs. Helicopters right there. Oh, still following us. I wonder if we go in, when we go in the house, is it going to leave us alone?